गोय लीगल सर्व्हिस अधिकरणान काणकोणात पयले फावट मेगा लीगल सर्व्हिसेस कॅम्प आयोजित केल्लो. ह्या स्किमीचो काणकोणकारांनी बरे रितीन लाभ घेतलो. आरडीएक्स गोवा ब्युरो रिपोर्ट.
आमी फर्स्ट टायम हांगा एक मेगा इव्हेंट असो पळय हांगा इनॉग्रेट केला. मेगा लीगल सर्व्हिसेस कॅम्प हाचें नांव. हांगा लोकांक एक्चुअली डायरेक्ट बेनिफीट मेळटा. म्हणजे जे वेलफेअर स्कीम आसा न्ही तिचे हांगा ताका एप्लिकेशन करून त्याचो जो फायदो मेळपा आसा न्ही तो हांगच्यानूच तो मेळोवन घरा वचपाक शकता. पयलीं कितें जातालें, पयलीं आमी फक्त कशें मेळोवप, प्रोसिजर कितें हें अशें सांगताले, पण आतां लोक हांगाच येवन ते सगळे एप्लाय करपाक शकतात.
Goa State Legal Services Authority, in association with the District Legal Services Authority, has organized today a mega legal services camp in association also with the Taluka Legal Services Committee to provide legal services at the grassroots level to people from Cancona Taluka. The NALSA, that is our parent body, National Legal Services Authority in New Delhi, has sanctioned funds to the tune of 5 to 6 lakhs so that the government departments who are participating today in this program will not be burdened at all. State of Goa, all the departments of Goa, to come to the people at grassroots level to provide them services. We have civil supplies department, we have department of health, we have department of social welfare. As you can see today, there have been some handicapped and some senior citizens who have been given aids to walk, like walking sticks, wheelchairs. The district headquarters is in Margao, and to bring them close to the people so that people can get their benefits at the grassroots level at their homes. We have called them from Margao district headquarters to Cancona Taluka. I therefore request all the people who are gathered here today to come and take benefit of these schemes of the various government departments. There's Department of Fisheries, we have called the Agricultural Department with their agencies. They're giving subsidized seeds, they're giving subsidized machinery for farming implements. We have even provided self-help groups an opportunity to set up their stalls so that people who are employed in self-help groups can also take benefit of this mega legal services camp. This camp has been organized mainly with the interest of providing an opportunity to people to alleviate their poverty.